Okay, so you might also want to do an if statement which asks them a question, so to enter a number and then check depending on what they type in. So what we can do is we could say that temp, the temperature, is going to be equal to whatever they type into the question, enter temperature. But before we do that, we need to say that what they're going to be typing in is a number. So to do that, we have to say int for integer. So we're going to say they're going to enter a number, and to make sure they enter it, we put the word input, just like we did before. What we can then do is say enter temperature. Okay, now we've closed one bracket, and if I press enter, you'll notice that the cursor jumps across here, which is not what we want. Now the reason it's doing that is because I haven't closed the second bracket, because I've opened 1 and 2. I need to close 1 and 2. So now we've got a question popping up saying enter temperature. It's storing a number in the variable called temp. So I can then say if temp is greater than 25, then I want it to print out a sentence that says it's warm. If not, so else, it's not above 25, I want to print out a sentence that says it's cool. I mean, 24 is not really cool, but you can see what we're doing with the program. So if I now run this, it should pop up and say enter temperature. 1 minute. So I'm going to type in 26 and press enter, and it pops up and says it's warm. If I run that again and I type in 22, it will say that it's cool. Okay, so the key part here was that we've put int here and we've closed two brackets.